Today I upgraded on my manual pruner. My fiberglass pruners, they keep on breaking, as you can see there, and I've got some other ones that's breaking as well. So I picked up a bunch of these swimming pool poles on clearance at a super deal. So I knew I could use them for a bunch of stuff. So what I did is I just took it off, and everything happened to match up pretty good. This here is actually the bottom of the handle here, so I just cut it up to here and I took it off, and now this is at the end, so you can see how much longer it is as well. And it is that piece, I just stuck it in there so I won't get cut. I may glue around there as well to help. So it's actually an extra, I don't know, 3.5, 4 feet long. If it starts to bend too much towards the top, because aluminum is soft, I'll just bring it in more and basically do the same length as the old one. But I'm not using it as a saw. If it's a saw, it might be a problem, but this is just using it for a pruner. So that's what I did. The next one I'm going to do on this one here is I'm going to use that for like when limbs get stuck in the tree, a little hook. But I just basically use the handle part at the end for the head of the pruner, and then the bottom. And if I wanted to, I can also just take this out, but or just unscrew it. So, I think that'll solve the problem. These fiberglass ones, being outside in the weather as well, they just don't last, and they just don't last. Metal's not gonna rot away. I got this one here. It might be a little longer actually as well. It doesn't compress as much as the other one, so it'll still be like 10 feet, which is not a big deal. But this one here, the aluminum gauge is quite thicker, so it's pretty sturdy. So this one I'll probably use for the saw.